Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off keyboard vibration alerts or haptics on your Android smartphone. So like for Google Pixel, for example. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is scroll up or slide up on your home screen and then select the setting gear button and then go and scroll down and find the accessibility tile. And then you want to go down underneath interaction controls and select vibration and haptics. So if you want to enable or disable the vibration with haptics, you can just make that modification up here at the top. If you want to turn off the keyboard vibration, just click inside this oval one time at the top to turn that off. And you also may want to make sure notification vibrations turned all the way down as well. But pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.